Good morning, students. Today we will do a revision related to Module 4. The first simplest concept what we have studied it in Module 4 is nothing but curve fitting. Three standard types of a curve. Here we are studying it for the best fit. First one is nothing but a equation of straight line. Y is equal to ax plus b. They will ask you to find the equation of a best fitting straight line for the given value, okay, for the given data. You should know first to write the normal equation for the straight line. So how to write the normal equation? Take sum of y value and here sum of x value and n times sum the constant. So summation of x, sum of what I am telling, it is nothing but summation of y plus equal to a into summation of x plus n times take b. So n into b. What is the second equation for this is multiply x throughout the equation and then take the summation. So multiply, when I multiply xy, ax square plus bx. Then take summation xy a into summation x square plus b into summation x. Here n stands for number of data. So 5 data are given. So n equal to 5. Why I should make two equation, normal equation? Because here two unknowns are there, a and b. So I need to find out these two unknowns a and b to get a best fit of a straight line. So what I should do now is, for the given data, what are the required condition for to solve these two equation is, I need to find out the sum of y value, sum of x, sum of x square value and sum of x into y. So that we form it in a table. So here observe, x values in column, y values in column, done. Multiply these two xy values, then square the x values, that table, that column is done. Now add it all the things. Now substitute that in this normal equation, these answers. So summation y means 114. A into summation, so 75a plus n means 5. 5 into b. So first equation is written here. Now what is the second equation? Summation xy. So it is written in the right hand side, this equal sign that written in the right hand side, 1885. Summation x square value is 1375 into a. Summation x is 75 into b. Now use a calculators to solve this equation directly. You will get the required a and b value. Now substitute this a and b value. Where you need to substitute? In an equation of straight line, because you are finding the best fit of a straight line. So substitute a and b value here. The required, the best fit curve, you will get it as y into a value. What is a value? We obtained it 0.7. So y into 0.7 into x plus 12, b value is 12.7. So that is the best fit of a straight line for the given date. Very simple problem. Next, let me discuss with another curve. What is the next curve? As I said, we are finding it a best fit for three standard curves. Straight line. Next is of parabola. They will ask you to fit a parabola for the given data. So here three unknowns are there. So you should have three equations in a normal. So first equation is taken by taking summation. How we had done in straight line? Similar. Summation y, n time take a constant, plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. Then multiply x2 throughout equation, then take summation. So summation xy, a into summation x, b into summation x square, c into summation x cube. Then multiply, here x we had done now. Next multiply x square to this equation of a parabola. Then take summation. Summation x square y, a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x to the power of 4. N is number of data. How many data are there? 9 data are there. Now to obtain this equation, I need to find out the summations value of these things. So that we do it in a table form. So what are the required conditions for equation? We are finding summation xy, x square y, x square, x cube, x to the power of 4. For each data we find out, then finally we sum it up. Substitute these value in the normal equation. So you get these three equations by substituting the respective values in this normal equation. Here we are substituting summation x square. Okay, so we get the equation. This is the equation 1. So in calculator you have a option of calculating the system of 3 equation. So calculate where directly you get a, b, c value. So this is the obtained a, b, c value. So then fit best fit of a parabola equation is nothing but y equal to a into a. So minus 0.93, round off, the value is rounded off, plus b into x, so b value into x minus, plus c into x square, so c value is here in minus 1. So this is the best fit of a equation of a parabola for the given data. Similarly, third curve is here y equal to a into x to the power of b. So they will ask you to fit a least for this geometric curve for the given data. So consider y equal to a into x to the power of b. I need to obtain the normal equation for this curve also, but since it is in a power form, convert the power into a equation of straight line form, linear equation. So we take log on both sides, log y, log a plus b into log x. So let me consider this as capital Y and this as capital A plus b into capital log x as capital X. So I obtained it now from this type of curve to equation of a straight line. A geometric curve is converted into straight line. Right now normal equation, take summation throughout, summation y, n into a plus b into summation x. Second equation of it is multiplied by x, then take summation. So summation xy, a into summation x plus b into summation x square. N is number of data here 5. Now to obtain this, I don't want small letter summation y. What I want is summation of capital Y. So capital Y, what it stands, it is nothing but log y to the base e. So that data I need to find out. And log a, it is anyhow constant. Then I need to find out summation of capital X. Capital X means what? It is nothing but log x to the base e. So observe it here, it is nothing but ln. In a calculator, when you are operating it, operate with a button with ln, natural log. So find out all those data required to substitute in a normal equation. Here typing mistake is there, it is capital X square, okay, not small letter x, capital X square. So after obtaining the calculation, summations value, substitute it in the normal equation. Summation y is 6.102 5 into a, b into 4.7874. Then calculate these two equations. You get capital A and small letter b value. But to obtain a best fit curve of y equal to a small letter a into x to the power of b. So I need to find out what is small a. So we have taken it capital A as what? Log a to the base e. So small a will become as e to the power of a. So e to the power of minus what is a or value obtained, substitute it. So simplify it, you get as 0.5. Use a calculator to simplify, you get a value as 0.5. So the best fit curve, geometric curve is y equal to 0.5 x square for the given data. So these are the simple problems related to curve fitting. Any curve will be asked to fit. So practice this problem. Thank you.